I acknowledge that Zhang Chaoyang possesses a high level of knowledge. However, if I were to bring up Schrödinger's cat, how would you respond? In the autumn of 1927, at the 5th Solvay Conference held in Belgium, a fierce debate unfolded between the traditional physics camp led by Einstein and the Copenhagen interpretation camp led by Bohr regarding quantum physics. Bohr argued that any material object is always in a superposition state of random uncertainty until observed. However, Einstein believed that this contradicted the fundamental principles of physics. Thus, the two camps engaged in a century-long battle. To challenge the Copenhagen interpretation, Schrödinger, who also supported Einstein, proposed a bold thought experiment known as Schrödinger's cat. In this experiment, an atomic device is placed inside an opaque box along with a live cat. If the atomic decay occurs, the poison gas flask will be broken, and the cat will be killed. If the atomic decay does not occur, the cat will remain alive and well. When the box is closed, we cannot see its interior, so the state of the atom is in a superposition of decay and non-decay because its state is uncertain. This uncertainty about the atom's state leads to the uncertainty of the cat's state. Only when we open the box to check can we determine whether the cat is alive or dead. Now, the question arises, what is the state of the cat when we haven't opened the box? Most people's initial thought is either dead or alive, each with a probability of 50%. The uniqueness of quantum mechanics lies in its allowance for an intermediate state between life and death for the cat. However, in the classical understanding of physics, the cat indeed has only two states, alive or dead. Up to this point, Schrödinger wanted to convey that he amplified quantum effects to our everyday world to illustrate how absurd it would be for a cat to be in a state of neither alive nor dead in the real world. This superposition state cannot be expressed using classical intuitive language, making it the peculiarity of Schrödinger's cat. But if this inference holds true, then not only the cat but everything, when unobserved, exists in an uncertain superposition state because all things in the world are composed of entities that obey the uncertainty principle. After this experiment, both sides continued their endless debates. Regrettably, Bohr and Einstein, two great physicists, never reached a consensus in their lifetimes, and to this day, the physics community has yet to find a perfect answer to this question. From the century-long debate between the two schools of thought to the myriad of reflections sparked by Schrödinger's cat, it seems as if we are immersed in an increasingly strange, mysterious, and inscrutable world. Have you felt it, sitting in front of the screen?